all. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this very fun portable fidget, and all you need is tape, some soap, glitter, beads, and then you're going to need one small plastic bag and three medium-sized plastic bags and some tape. So I'm gonna go get the beads in the three medium-sized plastic bags and the small medium plastic bag. Stay here, don't click out of this video. I'll be right back.
Crazy? Are you crazy?
Yeah. Boo! I'm back. Did I scare you? Probably not. This is very safe, parents. Very safe, parents, so don't be worried. This is a very fun fidget that your kids are going to like. I've had this forever, and it hasn't leaked, ever. And so, yeah. See, it's very fun. I know it might look weird that you're just pushing water back and forth, but it's very fun, parents. Don't be alarmed if your kids show you this video and they're like, Mom, can I do this? I suggest you say yes. It's very safe. Nothing's gonna leak. My parents thought that too. And I'm like, Dad, it's not gonna leak. Don't worry about it. So he didn't, and like what? It's been here for a long time and it hasn't leaked. So, ta-da! We're learning how to bake that. Yeah? What? I am back. So I'm teaching you how to make this. So it's very fun. It's Hold on a second, kids. Hold on. I have to make sure this is fun and portable, and for you guys to be able to play with it. I thought that was water for a second. Oh my gosh, that scared me. How did it leak through? It's not. It was air bubbles. Okay, good. Whew. It's actually scared me for a second. Okay. I'm gonna find scissors really fast, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So, hold on. Let me go get scissors. I'll be right back. I know, like what the. Sorry if you heard that. My brother said, "Today's the day that I." There we go. So, ta-da! This is what we are going to be making. It's a very fun, portable little thing that I found out that you could make. I made this all by myself with my imagination. So yeah, that's what we're going to be making. It's very fun. So kids, don't cook away. It's very fun. Okay, so here we go. So this is what you're going to do. Take this. Put a tiny bit of water in it. Just this much. Don't put over more than this if you're using a small plastic bag. You not to know why? Because this is going to be sitting like that. And if you put too much, it won't be fun to squish. So you're going to leave it open just like that. It's perfect. Don't put any more. Trust me. It's not more fun if you put more water. So I'm going to make you a blue one because I made a pink one. So then you're gonna take your dish soap or soap, I don't know, whatever. Hand soap, body soap. Don't put, oh my goodness, where did all these bubbles come from? Where did those come from? Maybe it's just how you have to. It's raining bubbles. It's bubbles. Okay, it's fine. I'm obsessed with bubbles. Okay, so then you're gonna put your 2 beads in there. I'm doing these 2 beads, or glitter, or whatever you're putting, charms. I'm putting beads, because yeah. Then you're gonna wanna take, so zip it up. Don't zip it up all the way, but make sure that it is zipped up. Leave the one corner open just a little bit, and then you're gonna get all the air out of there. Ta-da. Don't want to leave any air bubbles. And then, ta-da, close it all the way up. Double check. And you're going to shake the bag around. Go crazy. Go crazy. You can't just leave it like this, guys. It will leak. And don't ask me how I know that. Actually, I'll just tell you how I know that. Because I did it, and it leaked. Even with tape over the top. So, yeah, it leaks at the corners and it starts dripping and stuff. So, yeah. So, see? It's a little bit blue, I guess you could say so. It's like clear blue, kind of. Anyways, so I got a pink and a blue now. So, this is how you're going to make it. You're going to take, you just closed that. Now what you're going to do, watch very closely. Going to open the big bag, the medium-sized bag, sorry. One of the medium-sized bags. Not going to put anything in it, and you're just going to put this bag in here. Make sure that it's not bent or anything. You want all the corners to be straight. And then, see, just like that, it opens, just like that. Okay, got to make sure all the air is out of this one. Now watch, kids, very closely. You're going to lay the bag down. Wow, that easy. Now you're done. I'm just kidding. You're not done. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to bend this one down. You will bend it down. Open this bag. It's the same size as this one. Okay. Make sure it's open. I'm going to put it inside both bags. So both bags are going to go inside this. Just like it. Okay. So I don't want to bend it because I don't want it to be all crunched up like that. I want it to be good and I like it to be organized, or because I don't know if that counts as organized. But see how the inside bag, the first medium-sized bag, this one, I just pushed that one down. Remember how I told you to bend it? Well, now's the time to bend it. Now you're gonna take the first one and put it. See, it's now bent inside. Now you make sure no air is in, and then what you're gonna do? You're gonna zip it up. Ta-da! Now, do the same thing. Take it. Open it. Put it in. You don't have to take as long as I did. Just because I don't want it to be all bent up, and I want it to be easy for you guys to see. By the way, guys, help me get my channel verified. So see, wait, hold on, sorry. Pause myself from talking for a second. So see how I just put that one in there? See how I did that? See, ta-da! So see how I did that? You're gonna want to push this one down, just like you did with the last one. And bend, see how I, remember how I bent this one? You're gonna want to bend that one too. And then put the bag on top. I know, you're like, why are we bending that? So that, because you can't zip it without bending it. So then, see, bend it, and close the bag up. Okay. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go, guys. Ta-da! You did it! Nope, you did not. Not yet. Not quite yet, guys. So, see how you did that? Now, you are going to take duct tape or this big moving scotch tape. You're going to take a big piece of it. Make sure it's long enough. Peel it off. And then what are you going to do again? You're going to bend it down. That will be bended down. Oh my goodness. That will bend down. Just going to get it in the mood to bending down. And then, what are you going to do? You're going to lay the non-sticky side on the table. Because the sticky side is up. See, it's sticking to me. Ta-da! Now, it's very hard to see. This is the end of it, I think. Yes, okay. So then, this is kind of tricky. How do I show you guys this? You're going to want to keep this side bent down. And then, go right to the edge. You don't want to bring it all the way up from the tape. You want to leave some of the extra tape on top. Pause right now. Don't pause the video, but like pause right now. While you're doing this step, make sure not to cut anything. Like don't cut the extra tape. Don't do anything. I will tell you what you can and cannot cut. Because I did that last time and it went kaboom! No, it didn't go kaboom, but it's leaked. So it's very important that you listen on this step because I don't want you guys to get in trouble by your parents. And then you say, well, Aria Juliet told me that this was a great idea. I don't want to get in trouble. So there we go. Then you're going to put it down. See how it's lined up? Same thing. Now, sticky. Oh shoot, okay. So now, the sticky side. See, and you just put the tape on. Do not cut anything. See this extra tape on the top? You cannot cut it. See this extra stuff on the top? You cannot cut it. This side, you cannot cut it. You can cut nothing. And I feel a little bit sticky. It's just because the tape feels like that. But yeah, guys, there we go. You made your first watery thingy that I love to play with. And even if this is in your way and you just want to get it out, you can bend it down. Hey, look at it. It looks like a plastic bag. Now, look at it. It's very fun to play with, guys. I totally recommend it. See how I had to leave this there, too. That's because, yeah, I can't cut that, can I? Don't do what I'm doing. Don't cut it. Okay. Sorry. Ta-da. So, yeah, guys, go do this. It's very safe. It will not leak. Parents, I promise it won't leak. And if it does, I'm very sorry. I apologize. But thank you guys so much for watching my video today. And see you next time. Hope you have fun with these new watery thingies. Bye!